How to use Grubhub Quick Beginner's Guide. So if you want to learn how you can use Grubhub as a beginner, there are two types of users. One who are using through the mobile application, the other who are using through the website. Now the interface on both of these are pretty similar and the functions are also pretty much the same. Now I am sure, by the way, that you have already went ahead and then created your account and that you're also signed in. If you do not know how to do that, you can simply search for those topics on our channel and we've already made a tutorial for those as well. Now once you're signed into your account, let's make our first order. Right after we log in, this is the interface you will see. You will see the ones that are closest to you if you have enabled location access. You'll see the ones that are offering some kind of discount. You will see all the famous restaurants along with their ratings. You can also search for a particular one by using the search bar from the top. Now let's say that I want to order something from this particular restaurant. I can simply select that restaurant here or that particular food restaurant. Then over here I'll be able to come to its page where I can see its most popular dish. I can see the reviews and I can see their about and their categories. Now I can simply add whatever I want to buy or order to my bag. So I can click the plus icon to do that. For the other also, I can just click the plus icon to do that, and I can simply select the size and I can just go ahead and then add whatever else I want and add it to my bag just like that. I can also simply choose the quantity of those product that I want, by the way. Now after you've done all that, whatever you want to order, you will have to do a checkout. So click on the carts icon from the top right hand side for browser users. And if you're on mobile, you'll see the cart icon there as well. Over here you will see your order that will be delivered in around 25 to 40 minutes. Then you can see all the order that you have. You can include some utensils if you want to. You will see a delivery fee, service fee, and item subtotal where you can proceed to checkout by using this button right here. And after you click on the proceed to checkout button, on the next page you have to enter your delivery addresses where you want your order to be delivered. Enter the delivery instructions. You can select home or work or other, and then after that you have to continue to your payment method, and once you continue and finish up with the payment method, your order will be delivered to you. So this way you'll be able to use Grubhub as a complete beginner. I hope this video pretty much helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.